Okay, hello everyone. All right, we are going to still go into our first chapter of the computer science, but this time we just want to cover a little bit about this com tools complement, which is I would say give students quite a bit of problem. So I think I want to cover this for this small little video over here. Now, basically, the two's complement is derived from the one complement. All right. If you look at your syllabus or your textbook, so to do the two's complement, basically you have to do the one's complement and then add one to it. All right. So the idea behind this is actually quite simple, but it's confusing at the beginning because most students start out, all right, not very confident in dealing with binary numbers. Okay, so in two's complement, basically, if you are dealing with a positive number, then just leave it alone. All right, because you do not change the positive number, so you don't do anything to positive number. All right, but if it is a negative number and you are required to do a two's complement to it, then you have to flip, all right, every 0 to 1 and every 1 to 0, which is actually your one's complement. Then the answer, you add another one to it. Okay, and what you will actually have, you will have an auto sign, or you don't have to put any sign to it, it will automatically be signed as a negative number. All right, very different from your sign bit. Okay, now what I have here, okay, is a small little example, positive 5. Well, let's say I'm using 8 bits to represent 5, or this number, positive 5. So 5 is 101. Okay, but since I'm using an 8 bit, then I have to put all the other zeros in front. So I have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, followed by the 5, 1, 0, 1, right, base 2. Okay, this is a positive number. So I do not need to do any two's complement to it. Okay, I don't have to do anything. So I just leave it as it is. Now, what happens if it is a negative 5? Alright, what happens if it's a negative 5? So what do I do? Well, I know that this is 5. See, this is 5. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. For every 0, I change it to 1. Every 1, I change it to 0. So now I will have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, because all the front are 0. Then, instead of 1, 0, 1, now I have a 0, 1, 0. So this is the one's complement. And I have to plus 1. Okay, so when I plus 1, okay, I will get the two's complement, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, and if I look at this number is already a negative number. How I know it's a negative number? Because I look at the first bit. The first bit is a 1, which means it is a negative number in two's complement. If it's a positive number, the first bit is actually a 0. So that is why it is said as an auto sign negative number. Alright, so now we have these two. We have the positive 5, okay, and we have the negative 5. Okay, so I'm just copying from the previous slide to here. Okay, but what if I am given the binary and I want to change it to base 10. And I was told that this binary is 2's complement. So simple example like this, simple question like this. Okay, so I'm given a binary, I was told that this is 2's complement. So I now want it in base 10. Okay, the first thing I will do is I will look at the first bit. Okay, because the first bit will tell me whether it is a positive or negative. See, positive 5, first bit is 0. Negative 5, first bit is 1. Okay, so if it's a 0, I won't do anything to it. I already have my answer. I just need to convert it to base 10. But in this question, my first bit is not a 0, it is a 1. So I know that it is a negative number. Alright, but how do I still get the base 10? Okay, right. Do the 2's complement to this binary digits. Okay, so from here, okay, I just extract from the question. I do a flip of all the 1s and 0. So I will have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, then plus 1. Okay, so when I plus 1, my answer will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, which is equal to a 5. But I know that this is not a positive 5 because the original value, the first binary, is actually a 1. So I know that this 5 is actually a negative value. Alright, so I put a negative 5. Okay, I do know that in the very beginning, alright, 2's complement tend to give students a lot of problem. Okay, because it is the first time you're seeing it, and most of the time you have no idea why it works this way. Okay, on the one of the other videos, I actually made use of the 2 complements in a calculation with your CPU's accumulator. Okay, so in that video, actually you will understand why computer actually make use of 2's complement and not sign bit. Alright, because 2's complement can do addition very effectively. You do not need multiple components other than the accumulator. Alright, so I hope this small little video actually clarify the 2's complement for you.